Hi everyone, in this video we will see how we can create and send a carousel based campaign message, which is one of the most powerful and engaging campaign formats available. So basically the carousel campaign allows you to showcase multiple cards within a single campaign. It makes it ideal for product launches, offers or multi-option promotions. So first let's see how we can create a new campaign. So we will go to CRM from the menu. Then we will select bulk campaigns. We will then click on create new campaign and select WhatsApp campaign. From here we will select the campaign type, which is messaging campaign. We can give our campaign a name. Select the campaign type, click on next, select our audience, select the channel, and in the message type we will select pre-approved template. And from here you can select your template. So I will select carousel. And now we will start mapping the body variables. So first I'll map the first body variable. Let's map it as name. And next I will upload the link of the header image. So we can go to upload option and then I will select the image I want to upload. After doing it, I can define the payload over here. So payload is a hidden value that gets passed when the user clicks on the button. So for example, let's keep it interested. Product ID underscore 1 2. Next I will map the variable again for the first card. Let's keep it name on. Then I will go to the second card. Then I will upload the image. You can see that this card has two variables, so I will map the first one as name, and for second we will keep it XYZ for this example. Again I will define the button payload. For example, product ID underscore 345. So now you can check all the details and you can repeat this process for each card in the carousel. You can add and configure up to 10 cards in a single campaign template. Each card can have its own image, variable and button payload. So after you have verified, then you can go and click on next. You can check the details over here, then click on save campaign. And you can then click on the rocket icon to trigger the campaign. So basically with this carousel campaigns, you're not just sending messages, but you're also creating an interactive and conversion focused campaign experience. So this approach will improve the engagement, it will capture the user intent effectively and help you to automate follow-ups based on real actions. And that's how you can create and launch your advanced carousel campaigns. I hope this video was helpful and thank you so much for watching.